In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Rumble channel banner. So you can see this is my Rumble channel. I created this before for educational purpose only. So you can see I said only. So I said before this only for academic purpose, and this is YouTube thumbnail. So exactly I'm going to show you how to create this type. This is a full scan. So first I go to google.com. You can see this is a Rumble channel banner, a pixel as 3600 by 600 pixel. So I need to going on Canva. If you are using others photo editing software as well, that's good, but I am prefer you Canva. This is a very easy drag and drop process. So I need to click on this customs. So Canva link I will attach in video description. Then I need to type here 3600 and 600. Then click on enter. I created this from scratch. So now just click on template. So here's a lots of template. You can customize your own way. You can see lots of templates. So I write here animal because my Rumble channel is animal type. So if you have any other type channel, you can create it. Here's a lots of pre-made template available. You can choose one, then just customize your own way. So I type here animal, then you can see this good. Maybe all about ecosystems. So I type here the first things animals, all about animals. This is good, and this is background also good, but I want to change it to my own way. It's white. Wow, this is good for me. Now and just click as share, then download as a png or jpt as well. That's it. Now I'm going on rumble.com. Then first of all you need to click your this logo option. Now click account setting. Then after that just click channel and my channel, and click on this edit back splash. So I have to delete the first one, then upload this image. Now I download from canva.com. Okay, that's good. Now just I need to click save. Now if I refresh my Rumble account, wow, you can see it's setting well and it's look fantastic. So this is why you can create a Rumble channel banner from Canva as well. Thanks for watching. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.